Hello, Math 12 students, and welcome to week 3. I want to make sure you're noticing that on the home page in Canvas, there are Zoom recording links. And each time I put a new one up, I put the date that I updated it so you'll know if there's something new since the last time you looked. And I also put which quick quizzes solution is in that newest update. So if you click on this, it goes to the page where I'm putting the links, and these links take you to the Zoom website so that you can watch the recordings there. So each time I make a recording, I put the link here, and you can look and see which Newton lessons I talked about and which quick quiz we went over. So back to the home page, and my suggested way that you approach each week's module is to come down to the button that I've provided, and that will take you to the top of this week's module. You can always use this button over here on Canvas. That will take you to the top of the modules page, and then you'll have to scroll down to the current week's module. Whereas if you click the button, it will take you directly here. So I want you to notice that at the top of the week 3 module, it says prerequisites, and it says the week 2 module. So that means you have to complete all the activities on the week 2 module in order to move on to week 3. Well, the week 2 activities don't require you to submit things. They require you to view things, to mark things as done. So viewing just means clicking on it. So if you have any questions about what you need to do to get week 2 module completed and be able to move on to week 3, just please let me know. So this week's a typical week where you have 2 quick quizzes and a shine quiz, a discussion board, and a journal. The quick quiz is due on Tuesday and the second one due on Friday. And then there's a video quiz here to help you on the shine quiz. So shine quiz 2 will be due on Sunday. Don't forget to come back to the discussion board after you put your original posts on Friday and respond to at least 2 of your classmates by Sunday. And then you'll have a journal. You can either respond to the prompt or just check in and tell me how you're doing. Then here are the reminders about which homework assignments in Newton are due this week and which date. And hopefully you're using your Newton tracker to keep track of what have you completed. So the rest of the module is learning resources. This is the last week you'll have to click on each one. After this, I'll leave them as optional, and you can click on them if they're helpful for you. So section 2.4, I made a video from the worksheet, and so I want you to look at the videos this week. They're less than 15 minutes long generally, and they have 2, 3, or 4 questions embedded in them, so it's a way to get a few extra points. And then the link to the OpenStax textbook is always here. In this week, I'm asking you to also still view it. And then after next week, I'll not put any requirements on the learning resources. You can use them or you can choose not to use them. This week, there's some tough topics. I wanted to make sure you had some video support. So here's section 3.1 and 3.2. And then 3.3 has 2 videos that go with it, 4.1. And then this, notice the little pictures that we have a paper clip. This is like a piece of paper that you can view in Canvas. It's just something to look at. Then this little icon that's a paper with a little pencil is an assignment. And you can see the little word assignment attached to my cursor right there. So this is just a page in Canvas, and this is an assignment, and then this link is an external link. It goes to an outside site. So I wanted you to have access to this. This is a product called Lumen, and when you click on this link here, it's going to take you to the particular page of this topic that I wanted you to see. But then know that you can use this little box with an arrow poking out of it. That says take me to the external site. And if you click on that, it will take you to Lumen. And then you can put any topic you like in here and search. And you can look at Lumen's college algebra materials and see if they might be useful for you. It just depends on the person and how things are being explained, and you never know when somebody else's explanation will just be the thing that makes it make sense to you. So let's go back to the module. And notice that up in the upper left is always the map to where you are. You're in the Math 12 class, and then you're in the modules page. So that was the Lumen link that I wanted to show you. It's just another resource for you. And then I made some additional problems because students often find section 4.1 really challenging, and Newton may not have quite enough problems for you to feel like you've really got that topic mastered. And then 4.2, 2 worksheet videos, and then there's another one available here for you. And so these are just learning resources to help you with the learning in case Newton isn't sufficient for you. I wanted to give you some extra helps in this week. So when I finish this video, I'm going to put it up here in, this is the week 2 module. So this is week 2 module. So I'm going to put this video at the end of the week 2 module so that you can view it before you have access to week 3, because I don't want you to wait to be able to access this intro video. So please ask lots of questions. Assume my instructions aren't clear or Newton's not being clear enough for you, and ask questions. That's how you're going to get the answers you need. And I love answering questions. So I hope you have a great week.